Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be creating a beautiful green backdrop for Pooja. For that, first you need a dark green color saree. Here I am hanging this on a wooden frame. You can even hang this on a curtain rod. For the tabletop, you need a dark red color saree with a minimal border, or you can even take a saree with no border. Now let's create a backdrop with hula hoop ring. For that you need a hula hoop ring of medium size, some orange and yellow garlands for that festive look. Now what you need to do is just attach one end of one garland with sellotape and the other end of the other garland with the same sellotape, and just start wrapping simultaneously both of them together, and you can see how nicely they are being wrapped. Similarly, attach the other ends with the sellotape. Okay, so here we are done with a floral ring. Remember to leave some space from the bottom of the ring so that it can lean or stand properly with the wall. Now assemble the floral ring and lean it towards the wall. It will not fall in any case. Now put some more garlands of pom-pom or any other kind of leafy garlands you want. Here I have a solution. If you don't have any chalky or patta, you can take a bed table, fold it. Now drape it very nicely with a golden or a shimmery cloth. This will give a very nice effect on red color saree. Now keep two petal diyas on the either sides. Lastly, use some warm lights, circuit or LED lights. Tada! The most simple decoration for theme green is ready. You can use this decoration for any other kind of puja, whether it's Ganesh Chaturthi or Janmashtami or any personal puja at your home. And if you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video so patiently.